Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to.
We're going to be cutting a lightsaber blade today. First, what you need to do is buy yourself a pipe cutter. That's probably the easiest thing to do. If you don't have a pipe cutter, go buy one. If you bump into someone, be nice. If they say something back to you, get out of. A lot of people, when they do this kind of tutorial, they'll go and into the monotony of taking your blade out of your thing. Look, I'm not going to do that step. You know you should do that. So first thing you need to do is take it out of the packaging, put the packaging off to the side. If it has any plastic packaging, take that off and put it off to the side as well. And you might as well just keep all of your garbage together and put that off to the side as well when you're opening. I'm just kidding. The first thing you're actually going to want to do is the bottom of your blade. Sometimes makers will glue in the reflective film. Lightsaber blades have reflective film. They should have reflective film inside them. First thing you want to do is remove and loosen that from the bottom. Otherwise, you won't be able to do this next step. Measure out however long you want to cut your blade. I cut mine down to about I don't remember. I want to say maybe 16, 15. I wanted to do a shodo. I actually wanted to do something that I could do spins with in a tight space. Anyway. So look, make a mark on where you want to cut it and put it in this. Put some slight pressure on there, but make sure it's on there real good that it won't sort of spin on you. You're going to spin it. You're going to tighten it, spin it, tighten it, little by little, gradual sort of bites. And you're going to want to do it until you hear the telltale sign that it's gone all the way through, which is this. Now, if you're cutting like regular PVC or something like that, go all in, just cut it. But since you are cutting a lightsaber blade, be very careful at this moment, because now you have live reflective film. And what you don't want to do is put a wrinkle in that thing. So kind of get a hold of it and pull it out from the bottom of the blade, right? Make sure that the tip continues to have the film where it needs to be. I made a little slit here with a sharp blade. Please be very careful with these blades. And then I kind of sawed all the way around. I knew this was way proud from what I needed it. I'm gonna come back in just a second, do a very quick scissor cut. I think the quicker you snap and make this cut, the more it'll be straight. So do that really quick. Clean it up if you need to on that rim. Now, next, put a little bit of glue on here. I didn't want to get hot glue out, and that stuff is really messy and it gets kind of gunky back there. So since this is a white blade and I'm not really concerned about any sort of frosting on plastic, and this is going to be hidden inside of your hilt anyway, a bit of CA glue will do you. Close your glue. Close your glue. Just remember to close your glue. Just always remember to close your glue. Now let's look at some awesome spinning skills. I'm getting so good at this. I know this looks like it's from a movie. And look at this. Hand to hand. What? Oh, through the air, spin, and then I caught it in the other hand.
I catch it from the back easily from one hand to the next. Easy. I'm getting real good at this.
Now, I think in another video, I'm going to do a blade plug using the rest of what I did. You know what? No, let's just do it now. Find a thing you want to use. Hope it will be easy. It won't. Cut off what doesn't fit. Notice the cutoffs look like small Graflex grips. Keep them. Cut your length of polycarbonate. Find you cut it too long and cut it again. Realize the cutoffs look like a ring, and maybe you can exploit Star Wars fans by selling them lightsaber wedding bands. Open a jewelry business. Apply glue. Close your glue. I mean it. Don't forget. Go check your glue right now. I bet you left it open. I could be wrong, but you don't know. Glue thing and let dry. Blade plug complete. Thank people for watching. Roll the thing.